This is the Medeco X4 that Storm Crow sent me. It's got 7 pins. It's got a check pin right here that I've heard you have to float the plug to set it, and it can overset. So I'm curious how that's going to go. Using a 1.3 because that fits in there pretty tight. Starting the back, 7 was binding. 5. Now 6. This is 3 and 4. One was binding a little bit. That was 2. Two went up a little more. Now 1's binding pretty good. Alright, got a false set. Now let me see if that fits the slider. I'm going to release a bunch of tension, basically all the tension. There we go. Luckily nothing dropped. I just released all the tension and kind of just tapped on that slider. All right. Go ahead and gut this. Kind of felt that slider or sidebar or check pin or whatever's in there is kind of like acted like a reverse sidebar where you had to have no tension on the plug at all to get it to set. So it looks like all standard pins in. Well, there's a spool and two. And a standard on one. So one spool, all standards, pretty much felt like standard pins. So all standard. Got some profiling on a couple key pins. And I want to do something real quick. See that cord? With all the pins out, it's still not turning. I'm going to set these aside for a minute. Check something here. All right. There's only that sidebar in there. All right. So it's only that sidebar in there. I push it. It's totally springy. And obviously the lock's not opening. So I had to rotate that cord back, release all tension on it pretty much. Mess with that sidebar. I can feel it. I can feel some feedback from it now. And now it opens. So it's like it definitely acts like a reverse sidebar. All tension on that, nothing's happening. Once I let off tension, rotate back a little bit, lock opens. All right, so let me take that out and see what that looks like. Oh, it's going to make me pick it to get it out of there. Well, pretty sure there's nothing in there, but I don't want to take any chances. No, it is not wanting to come out. So see if I can get a shim in there. All right. So it looks real similar to the M3. What is that? Oh, that's what's, oh, sorry. That's what sticks up into the plug. I bet that comes down. I push that check pin. Now, see that? So that, oh, all right. So push that check pin there, that's open. And now when I push it all the way, it does overset. It does overset enough to keep it from opening. So I am not going to take that out. All right, just making sure it was still functioning like it should. So I'm going to leave that in there. That is the Medeco X4.